The Rizoma project, in collaboration with the European Union, the Department of Labour and Social Policies, the Autonomous Region Friuli-Venezia Giulia and the European Social Fund, presents 4 Italian companies in the mechanics sector that are interested in promoting their products to potential sales partners. English is spoken in all companies. For 30 years, Tecnocom has specialised in the design and production of formworks for the industrial, civil, roads and agricultural industries. Thanks to constant investments in research and innovation, Tecnocom has gained the technological know-how which has allowed the development of formworks that are capable of offering the maximum flexibility, ease of use, safety and productivity. Given the company's vision, a quality certification according to the UNIN ISO 9001-2000 standard was awarded. Currently, Tecnocom formworks are exported all over the world thanks to a sound sales network and after-sales service directly provided by the head office. The headquarters are situated in Udine and covers an area of 20,000 metres squared. English and Spanish are spoken in Tecnocom. For further information, please visit the website www.tecnocomspa.it.